Live look right now inside of the courthouse here for Donald Trump. He is back in court today. And what a moment this must be, because his ex-fixer, ex-attorney, Michael Cohen, is on the stand testifying against him. He's testifying against his former boss. And you can just imagine Donald Trump there in the courtroom staring him on as the testimony of Michael Cohen is going. It has to be truly, really surreal to see that all play out once again in New York City. Let's go out right now outside of the courthouse. That is where we find Fox News' Caroline Elliott. She has been following this and has the latest updates from this. Really, it's Shakespearean right now. It's almost biblical that we're talking about this, about a former attorney, former friend now testifying against him.
Yeah, certainly, Mike. And to your point, these two men have been in the courtroom together before, but typically they're working together. So certainly a much different energy in the courtroom today. We know that Michael Cohen took the stand in the last hour. And again, as Trump's former lawyer and personal friend, the testimony could be key for prosecutors in this trial. Now, we talked with Trump before walking into the courtroom today, and he continued saying he did nothing wrong in this case and continued those attacks on Michael Cohen.
He's a proven liar. He's a felon. Served a lot of time for lies. And we're going to just go in and see. And I think you'll see that for yourself. The Southerners that came out with a scathing statement about him. So he's a liar trying to get a better deal for himself.
In this trial, the state accuses Trump of exaggerating assets and financial statements to save over $100 million on loans and insurance. The judge already determined Trump and his company committed fraud, but now the trial is focused on what the fine should be. The state expects Michael Cohen, who knows Trump personally and professionally, to share more information about Trump's business records. Before heading into the courtroom, Cohen told reporters, "This is not personal against Trump. It's about telling the truth."
Accountability, plain and simple, and we leave it up to Judge Engoron in order to make all the determinations on that. So I thank you all for coming.
And this trial could result in Trump facing up to $250 million in fines. Mike.
Yeah, it's going to be something to see just how it all shakes out there, and we know that you'll be with it every step of the way and providing us the latest updates. Caroline Elliott, live for us in New York City. Thanks so much for that update. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
No problem. And of course, we always got you covered here on Live Now. The former president actually spoke about 10 minutes ago. This is his latest remarks. This is as they were taking a break from court. Let's listen right here to his remarks. They're pretty quick. Let's listen right here on Live Now.
That matters, but he is not a credible witness. And if you just remember what's been said and what's been now proven, that the assets, the actual net worth is far above the statement itself, not below, but far above the statement itself. You have a disclaimer clause that's what's called a 100% disclaimer clause, meaning you have to go out and do due diligence. When you look at the statement, don't believe the statement. You have to go out and do due diligence. And many other things. The other element of this case that's so horrible is that we don't have a jury. We have a very highly partisan judge. We have a attorney general that went out and she campaigned on, I will get Trump, I will get Trump. We have clips all over the place. Nobody's ever seen anything like this. This is election interference. Because I'm here now instead of being in Iowa, New Hampshire, or South Carolina. I'm here. But fortunately, the polls are so high, maybe it doesn't matter. But this is called election interference. It all comes out from Biden and from Washington. Keep them busy, keep them spending money. But we see how good the financial statements are. They're extraordinary, actually. Very low debt, a lot of cash. We built a great company, and that's now coming out. That's actually the thing that is coming out. What a great company I built. But we'll speak to you later. Thank you very much.
All right, we do expect Donald Trump to continue